And getting you some details from the state of Maharashtra, these visuals from Mumbai where posters of French President Emmanuel Macron are seen strewn on the road and vehicles are running over the posters. Now remember, this comes at a time when there is anger against the French president over his recent remarks following the back-to-back terror attacks taking place in France. Meanwhile, BJP spokesperson has fired pot shots at the Mahavikas Aghadi, questioning Uddhav government over the posters and the disrespect being meted out to the French president at a time when France is fighting Islamist terror. We're picking up a few reactions as well. Listen in.
Today in some areas of Mumbai, some people spreaded photographs of France president on the roads so people can trample his face by walking on it or by taking down their vehicles. When Government of India and Prime Minister condemn Paris incidents as an act of terrorism, I would like to ask Chief Minister of Maharashtra what is his position on this. Are he ready to condemn the act of terrorism?
मुंबई उज़्मा के मुसलमानों ने फ्रांस के सदर मैक्रोन का फोटो रोडों पे लगा करके उस पे जूता चप्पल पहनकर चल रहे हैं, गाड़ियां चल रही हैं, कुत्ते बिल्ली चल रहे हैं, इसलिए कि उसने सरकार की शान में जो गुस्ताखी की है, ऐसे गुस्ताख को ऐसे ही सजा मिलनी चाहिए। हम इस इक़दाम पर अहले मुंबई को बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देते हैं कि अल्लाह के रसूल की शान में उसने गुस्ताखी की है, उस गुस्ताख को ऐसी सजा दे रहे हैं। अल्लाह करे मुंबई वाले खुश रहें।
So amid widespread criticism of the radical extremism that has claimed several lives in France, a heated debate over French President Macron formally linking it to one particular religion. Now BJP spokesperson has come out, shared that video wherein it can be seen clearly that the road is plastered with posters of Macron. They have slammed this particular gesture, and we have Gaurav Bhatia of the BJP also joining us on the phone line. Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, a man who has come out and spoken against Islamist terror, who's raised his voice against extremism, that's the treatment that is being meted out to him. BJP now raising questions. What do you have to say?
We are aghast to see the kind of protest by the Muslim community against the President of France, and it only shows, are these people who are protesting, they are saying and supporting beheading of human beings. And when the Prime Minister of the country has very categorically condemned such an act by fundamentalists, why are these people coming out? And this is the kind of fundamentalism which will not be tolerated in India. India is a secular country, but your religious beliefs are subject to national interest, national security, and this goes against that. And this is a very dangerous trend and will not be tolerated.
And Mr. Bhatia, more than that, this is not about one particular religion. This is about the idea of terrorism, which is so very dangerous, which is existing globally at this point in time. The Prime Minister has also said that the centre will keep voicing its opinion against terrorism. We will keep cracking down on terrorism. So this is certainly not about one particular religion, as so many are now trying to portray.
I agree with you. It is not about targeting one particular religion. But at the same time, we need to understand that there is a context to this protest. And the protest is about the action that the French government is taking, and the French government is taking action against people who have beheaded human beings. And if people in India come out to support these fundamentalists, then that is unacceptable. And these very people who are protesting should be ashamed of themselves that today they are supporting the fundamentalists, tomorrow they would be target of this fundamentalist.
Absolutely. Many thanks, Gaurav Bhatia, for sharing that perspective. Also being joined by Shazia Almi. Shazia, a man who's vowed action against Islamist attack is being given that kind of a treatment. His posters all over the place in Mumbai. People are walking over those posters. Vehicles are running over those posters. We know what the BJP is now saying. But what do you have to say, Shazia? All right, we'll try and get more reactions from the BJP. But remember the terror attack that took place in the French city, wherein a knife-wielding man beheaded a woman, killed several others, and now that the French president has vowed to deploy thousands of more soldiers to protect important French sites, has spoken against terrorism, radicalism and extremism in the country, and has said that they have been attacked over their values and for their taste of freedom. Now this kind of a treatment that is being meted out to the French president in the city of Mumbai, BJP raising its voice against this gesture.